All right, let's quickly take the last leg of today's class. And then the question is very okay. He said, by the theory of the mind, the quantity of goods demanded has a linear relationship with the price. By the theory of the mind, the quantity of goods demanded has a linear relationship with the price. Now, how do we go about this? When something have a linear relationship, let's apply mathematics knowledge. In a linear relationship in math, we have something like y is equal to mx plus c or plus b, anyhow you want to write. This is a linear relationship. So let this be price, and then we can say this is price of quantity, why this is can also be quantity of price. Okay, let's do it that way. So what they are saying here is that if 20 bags of rice are demanded at 16,000 per bag, so when the quantity demanded, let's say qd is 2,000 bags. Yes, 2,000 bags. Then the price is 16,000 per bag. Okay. And the second one said 5,000 bags are demanded when the price is 15,005. That's quantity 2 is 5,000. So let's call this one quantity 1. Let's call this one price 1, and then price 2. It will be 15,500 per bag. So we move ahead. He said, what will be the price of a bag of rice when Roman figure 1, 3,005 are demanded, and Roman figure 2, 10,000 bags of rice are demanded. So let's quickly look at a way of running this. Okay, let's look at a way of running this. So if we have this and I say we should combine this, then our m can be gotten. Our m can be gotten in the sense of, let me say, P2, are we together? Minus P1 over Q2 minus Q1. So if you apply this to get your M, which is your gradient, exactly. If you apply this to get your M, which is your gradient, you know I've said our Y can be price and our X can be quantity, but let's just go by doing this simple one. Just came to my head. So let's look at this M. And we can do that one I said, just substitute your 16 here, then you substitute your 2000 here, equation 1. Then you substitute your 15,005 here and substitute your 5,000 here, equation 2. You fall for the value of both C and M simultaneously. You will get it. If you do this also, you have the same thing. Let's not waste our time. Quick. Now, if you do this, what are we going to have? I feel like being weary, but I won't. What are you going to have? Then we'll be having the, okay, let me write it. We'll be having 15,005 minus 16,000 over, what is quantity 2? 5,000 minus 2,000, that's 3,000. Let's not waste our time. So 15,005 minus 15,000, that's going to be what? This M now, no space. This M is going to be minus 500 over 3,000, and that's going to be quiet minus 1 over 6. So our M is minus 1 over 6. So let's quickly have an equation modeled for that. So I can go on and say y is equal to minus 1 over 6 x plus c. Now, how do I get my c? I say let's put this to be 16, and then 16,000, I will put this to be 2,000. Then I can go and say 16,000 is equal to what? Minus 1 over 6 altogether into 2,000. That's my quantity. 2,000 altogether plus C. That means I'm going to say C plus C now. Let me make C the subject of formula. I'm still back here. Let me put it in. Y is equal to mx plus C. This is the formula I'm using. So let me go up now. I'm going to have C is equal to what? 16,000 minus. So what is 2,000 divided by 6? Is it 16,000 minus? Or is it going to be plus now? Yeah. 16,000 plus. That's going to be plus. Here now will not be plus. Yeah, I've made C the subject of formula is going to be plus. So what is now 2,000 divided by 6? 2,000 divided by 6 is actually 333.33 plus 16 now. Plus 16,000. Then we finally have our C plus 333.33 recurring. Then we have our C to be equal to 16,333.33333 recurring. So now can we move on? That is our C. And if that is our C, can I write final statement? Let me write final statement here. Just watch and keep watching. So then I can have Y is equal to minus 1 over 6 x plus 16,000, sorry, 333.333 recurring. So now let me now follow suit of what I've been demanded or asked to do. I will do what I'm asked to do now. And what I'm asked to do is that what will happen if a bag of rice which has been denoted to be X is 3,005. Then I will have my Y, which is my price, to be equal to minus 1 over 6. I have to let Y be price and X be quantity. Yeah, minus 1 over 6 into what? 3,005 plus what? 16,333.333. Good. Now I will go again and say what is going to be the result of me dividing 3,005. 3,005. Okay, let me put minus 3,005 there. Minus 3,500 divided by 6. And that gives me this. I'll just add it directly to 16,333.33332. Now, and that gives me 15,750. That gives me Y will be 15,750 naira. So if for 3,000, for a quantity of 3,005, the price will be what? 15,750. Now let's quickly move ahead and look for a quantity that is 10,000 baht. So the same thing, I claim this. I don't claim the answer. I'm looking for the 10,000 baht. 10,000 baht. So for the quantity that is 10,000 baht, I still apply this formula. I'm going to be having Y is equal to minus 1 over 6 multiplied by 10,000 bags of rice plus 16,333.3333 recurring. Then let me put my gege to look for the price at that point. This is the quantity and this is the price. So one for the 3,000 And for the 10,000, I'll be having this now. Then I'll be having let me quickly say minus 10,000 again. I'm doing it that way. That's why I'm putting the minus. Minus 10,000 divided by 6. Yeah, this is what I got. I add it directly to 16,333.33333. And that gives me 14,000. 14,000. Good. 14,666.6666. Good. So if that is the case, I'm going to be having 14,666.66 also recurring. So this is what it's going to give me. Here, don't forget that when we have 3,005 bags, there will be 15,750 spent, or very close approximately. And then when we have 10,000 bags for x equal 10,000 bags, the price of one bag will drop to 14,667 approximately. So that is that. Let's quickly pause it and continue again. Watch, share, and invite fellows.